Typical nutritional errors in fitness. How to prevent them. The foundations of a healthy lifestyle are diet and fitness, yet misunderstandings and detrimental one. Discuss prevalent nutritional myths that can lead to misunderstandings in fitness too. Explore how misinformation spreads through social media and its impact on people's dietary choices. 3. Highlight the importance of educating oneself about nutrition to prevent common mistakes. 4. Examine the psychological factors that influence people's adherence to incorrect dietary practices. 5. Emphasize the benefits of seeking professional guidance from nutritionists or dietitians to avoid detrimental errors. 6. Consider the role of peer influence in shaping dietary habits, as friends and family often unknowingly perpetuate myths. By fostering a culture of open dialogue about nutrition and encouraging critical thinking, individuals can make more informed choices that align with their fitness goals. Moreover, addressing these myths through education and awareness campaigns can empower individuals to challenge prevailing misconceptions. Ultimately, a supportive community can help reinforce positive dietary changes, leading to healthier lifestyles and improved overall well-being. While professional guidance is invaluable, some individuals may find success in self-directed learning and experimentation with their diets, tailoring their choices to personal preferences. Additionally, the influence of peer pressure can sometimes lead to positive dietary changes, as friends who prioritize healthy eating can inspire one another to adopt better habits collectively. This approach not only helps dispel misinformation but also empowers individuals to question and evaluate the dietary advice they receive. Ultimately, fostering a supportive environment can lead to healthier eating habits and better overall well-being. Moreover, addressing these myths through education and awareness campaigns can empower individuals to challenge prevailing misconceptions. Ultimately, a supportive community can help reinforce positive dietary changes, leading to healthier lifestyles and improved overall well-being. Habits can impede progress. By committing preventable dietary errors, many people who want to improve their performance, gain muscle, or lose weight inadvertently undermine their progress. Below, we provide a thorough analysis of common fitness nutrition errors and practical solutions. I am not eating enough or skipping meals. One of the most common mistakes in fitness nutrition is skipping meals, often due to hectic schedules, a desire for rapid weight loss, or inaccurate information. Although skipping meals might seem like a sensible method to reduce calories, it might really have the opposite impact. The reason it's a mistake: slows down the metabolism. The body conserves energy when you skip meals, which might lower your metabolic rate. Muscle loss can result from the body breaking down muscle tissue for energy if it isn't getting enough nourishment. Energy crashes. Extended periods without food can lead to exhaustion, agitation, and subpar exercise results. Ways to prevent it. Make a plan. To prevent missing meals because of a lack of time, prepare healthy meals and snacks in advance. Pay attention to consistency. To sustain energy levels and avoid overeating later, try to eat frequent, nutrient-dense meals every 3 to 4 hours. Put fiber and protein first. These nutrients provide you consistent energy and prolonged feelings of fullness too. An excessive dependence on supplements. Although vitamins, protein powders, and pre-workout supplements have their place, many individuals erroneously think they can take the place of full foods. Supplements should complement a balanced diet, not replace it. The reason it's a mistake: deficits in vital vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients included in whole meals might arise from relying exclusively on supplements. Expensive. The cost of supplements can be higher than that of natural food sources. Digestive problems. Bloating or gastrointestinal pain may result from overusing supplements, such as protein powders or meal replacements. Ways to prevent it. First, whole foods. Give special attention to foods high in nutrients, such as veggies, whole grains, lean meats, and healthy fats. Strategically use supplements to fill specific gaps, such as vitamin D during winter or protein shakes after exercise. Examine the labels. Steer clear of goods with fake substances, extra sweeteners, or too dramatic promises. 3. Ignoring nutrition before and after exercise. People often overlook the importance of fueling the body before and after exercise. Eating well before, during, and after exercise can greatly improve performance, recuperation, and outcomes. The reason it's a mistake: low energy. Working out without food can cause exhaustion, lightheadedness, and poor performance. Poor recovery. Skipping post-workout nourishment delays glycogen replacement and muscle regeneration. Missed progress. Exercise may not result in quantifiable increases in strength or endurance if correct nutrition is not followed. Ways to prevent it. Pre-workout, eat a healthy snack 1 to 2 hours prior to working out, like a small portion of protein-rich oatmeal or a banana with nut butter. Post-workout, to promote muscle repair, prioritize a mix of carbohydrates and protein within 30 to 60 minutes of working out, e.g. a protein shake with fruit or chicken with sweet potatoes, for a protein obsession misses out on other nutrients. Although protein is necessary for muscle growth and repair, placing too much emphasis on it at the expense of fats, carbs, and micronutrients can impede overall fitness gains. The reason it's a mistake: lack of energy. Since carbohydrates are the main source of fuel for activity, eating too few of them can make you feel lethargic. Nutrient imbalance. If you only eat protein, you may not be getting enough of certain important vitamins, minerals, and beneficial fats. Poor recovery. The insufficient restoration of glycogen levels due to a deficiency in carbohydrates delays recovery. Ways to prevent it. Macronutrient balance. Make sure your meals contain all 3 macronutrients: healthy fats, carbs, and proteins. Tofu, salmon, eggs, lean meats, and protein drinks all contain protein. Whole grains, fruits, and starchy vegetables are sources of carbohydrates. Fats, olive oil, nuts, avocados, and seeds. Adhere to the 40-30-30 guideline. 4. Balanced nutrition. A typical macronutrient mix is 40% carbohydrates, 30% protein, and 30% fat. 5. Ingesting excessive amounts of healthy processed foods, protein bars, meal replacements, and low-fat snacks are just a few examples of the many so-called health or fitness items that are marketed as wholesome but are actually packed with artificial chemicals, bad fats, and hidden sugars. The reason it's a mistake: hidden calories. Excess calories in processed health meals might undermine weight loss efforts. Nutrient deficiencies. When compared to complete, unprocessed diets, these foods frequently lack fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Blood sugar spikes. Added sugars can cause sharp spikes in blood sugar, which can then lead to crashes, leaving you feeling hungry and exhausted. Ways to prevent it. Examine the labels. In packaged foods, look for unhealthy oils, artificial flavors, and added sugars. Select complete foods. Choose natural snacks such as homemade protein bites, fresh fruit, almonds, or hard-boiled eggs. Reduce your intake of processed foods. Make home-cooked meals a priority and use pre-made workout foods sparingly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and coming soon part 2.